So whenever there's a question that deals with indices that have different bases, you always want to try to convert them to having the same base. So we can rewrite 4 to the power of x as 2 to the power of 2 to the power of x minus 2 to the power of x plus 2 minus 32 is equal to 0. We can then switch this around to be 2 to the power of x to the power of 2. Because the values of 2 and x are multiplied anyway, so it doesn't matter if it's inside or outside of the bracket. Okay, so next we see the 2 to the power of x plus 2 right over here. So we can separate that into being minus 2 to the power of x times 2 to the power of 2 minus 32 is equal to 0. And this then further simplifies to this. Now, since the question is asking us to solve for the unknown x, we can see x is a part of the variable of 2 to the power of x. So in order to find x, we can start by solving what 2 to the power of x is. So let 2 to the power of x be a. And we can substitute a or any other variable to represent 2 to the power of x. So this gives us a to the power of 2 minus a times 4 minus 32 is equal to 0. And you'll see that this gives us a much more simpler quadratic. So from here, you can just factorize it to be a minus 8 bracket a plus 4. So you have a is equal to 8 or a is equal to negative 4. But remember, these aren't the final answers, it's just the answer for a, but the question wants us to find out what x is. So just sub 2 to the power of x right back into a. So have 2 to the power of x is equal to 8. So x is equal to 3. In this situation, you have 2 to the power of x is equal to negative 4, which is impossible because 2 to the power of x must be larger than 0. So your final answer is x is equal to 3. Thank you.